Hello children, hope you are all well at your places. In this video, we are going to learn about adjectives and its kinds. So you very well know about adjectives. Let's again do it and I'll explain all the kinds here. So first let us know what an adjective is. Words that describe a noun or a pronoun are called adjectives. Words whichever some of the words which are describing a noun, like I say it is a sweet apple, so here apple is a noun, and what I have said about the apple, that it is sweet, so I have described the apple, that what kind of an apple it is. So this is how we know what an adjective is. For example, Rajshri wear a new dress. So what kind of a dress she is wearing? She is wearing a new dress. So new here becomes the adjective which we have applied for dress. He has a blue pen. So the pen here is blue. So the description of the pen is, it is blue in color. So this is how we know what are the adjectives. And adjectives has 6 kinds here which we are going to do. See, the first kind of adjective is adjective of quality. An adjective of quality describes the quality of a person or a thing. Like any object you have or any person is there, so you are going to describe that person. How you are going to describe that person? By the quality he has. Like here as an example I have taken, the lesson is interesting. You are reading any of the lessons of your book, and what kind of lesson it is interesting or it is very boring. So I have said here the lesson is interesting, so I have described the lesson as interesting. So interesting here becomes the quality of the lesson. So here it becomes the adjective of quality. Other examples can be colorful, lovely, attractive, simple, which describes the quality of any of the object or any of the person. Next is adjective of quantity. Adjectives of quantity, where you have to measure that object. If you are measuring, how will you measure? You are telling about the quantity of that thing. Like and basically the adjectives of quantity is basically used for uncountable nouns, the nouns which cannot be counted, like rice, sugar, oil. These things cannot be counted. You cannot count them in numbers like 1 2 3 4. You cannot count them, right? So here we will take the adjectives like some, enough, much. These kind of adjectives are called adjectives of quantity, which are placed generally before the uncountable nouns. This specifically you have to remember, that before the uncountable nouns generally adjectives of quantities are placed. See, the other example of adjectives of quantity is enough, much, sufficient, a lot of, etc. These kind of words are generally used for adjectives of quantity. Next is adjectives of number. Now, adjectives of number tells how many persons or things are meant. Like if you are in some place or when you are some class, so you will say that there are 20 students in our class, or as I have given the example here, there are 40 students in our class. So how many students? 40. This helps in knowing the adjective of the number. Adjective of the number is basically the words which helps in knowing how many nouns are there. So basically adjectives or numbers are placed before the countable nouns. So this is the difference between adjective of quantity and adjective of number. Here you can count those nouns, like the students you can count, right? They are persons, so you can count them, but rice you cannot count. So that is adjective of quantity. For rice you cannot write 40 rice or 50 rice, right? So that is used for quantity, adjective of quantity. And for 40 students, here for the students we have taken 40. Several, many, three, they can be used for any countable nouns, basically for the people. Then we have demonstrative adjective. Demonstrative adjective is used to point out some person or things. Basically when you are showing or you are pointing out some people or some or any child or any person or anything which is placed at a far off distance or nearby. So that is called the demonstrative. There you use the demonstrative adjectives. And the example for these mangoes are ripe. So the mangoes are placed nearby me and I am saying that these mangoes are ripe. What I am using here? These. So these is the demonstrative adjectives I have used for mangoes which are ripe. Other examples can be this, that, these, such, etc. Next is interrogative adjective. Interrogative adjective, adjectives that are used with noun to ask question. Basically, you will be familiar, you are just familiar with the word interrogative. You know that these interrogative words are generally used for where you are asking some question. The same it is here for adjectives also, where you are asking the question and it is placed before the noun. So, whose book is this? You are asking about that whose book is this. Here you have placed whose before book. So before the noun you have placed the word whose, that is an interrogative adjective. Next is possessive adjective. What a possessive adjective is? A possessive adjective is where you are showing a possession or a belonging. That means something which belongs to you or to your friend or to your neighbors, to his sister, her sister. So here you are showing that the belonging which anybody has. It can be your also, it can be your friends also. So what word you are going to use? Your bike is new. That means you are showing that your friend may be having the bike. So here for the bike you have used your. That is a possessive adjective. Other examples can be my, his, her, their, etc. So these are the words basically which are used for possessive adjectives. Now I have given an exercise here below all the kinds and the adjectives. You have to identify all the adjectives here and state their kinds. You have to write down all the sentences as it is written here. 10 sentences I have given. I have also given the solution at the bottom, which you can find and you can do it accordingly. That's it for adjectives and its kinds. Next I'll be giving you the video for adjectives and its degrees. Thank you for now.